The Evo Wagon has been in storage for almost 5 years. I've given it a quick wash, but it needs some serious detailing, spiderwebs removed, servicing and its fluids changed. I drove it to get some fresh fuel a couple of days ago, but the coolant temp wouldn't go above 69 degrees Celsius. The AC condenser fan was running constantly, and the engine's idle speed was 2,800 when the car was stationary. I believe the wagon was once fitted with an early opening thermostat. So today I'm going to jack up the car, replace the thermostat, replace the coolant, bleed the cooling system and see what happens. It's not going to fix the AC condenser fan issue, but it should help get the engine up to temperature so it doesn't idle so high. On this thermostat you can see Mishimoto 68 degrees, so I think that's my problem. Well, that turned out really well. The engine now gets up to temperature quickly, goes out of cold start mode and idles nicely. But the AC condenser fan is still spinning sometimes when it shouldn't be. So I'll need some help with the ECU to get that sorted out, but hopefully get it done by the next episode. There's plenty more Evo Wagon episodes coming, so don't forget, click subscribe and notify. You can share this video with your mates, and if you've got something to say, write it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.